Hello, hi my dear students. Welcome to you all in our today's mathematics class. Today also I am present here to teach you that factorization of algebraic expression which is in the form of a power 4 plus a square b square plus b power 4. Today I am going to teach such type of factorization to you so that I hope everybody will watch this video till the end and will do not forget to do like, comment and subscribe it. Okay, so now without doing delay, I want to lead you towards this question: a power 4 plus a square b square plus b power 4. Our today's question is this, and such kind of question are there many more we practice here today. So this first question, a number is there, a power 4 plus a square b square plus b power 4. This is one of the most important factorization for class 9 and 10. So all of you please learn it very effectively and make it fruitful. Okay, so all the students, its solution I am going to be here. Solution. Our question is a power 4 plus a square b square plus b power 4. First of all, we have to identify the question by which method we can do it very easily and which formulas are required here to solve the such type of problems. So we have to identify it. So I have seen this a power 4 plus a square b square plus b power 4. This is the question here, and you know this formula is there, and one formula you know, a square plus b square formula you know, a square plus b square is equal to, you know, that a plus b whole square minus 2ab. This formula you know, or we can apply another one, that is a minus b whole square plus 2ab. So we have two formulas for this a square plus b square. A square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab, and next is a minus b whole square plus 2ab. So here, according to the requirement of the question, we use the formula here, either this first or this second. Okay, so in this question here we do that we arrange the first of all this first term and this last term. This is a power 4 we write here, plus b power 4 we write here, and this middle term we have to write back side, that is a square b, so we have to write back. Then in this question, this first two expression, a power 4 plus b power 4, we are looking this. These two expressions, a power 4 plus b power 4, these two terms, we have to express in the form of a square plus b square. This a square plus b square, this a power 4 plus b power 4, we have to write in the form of a square plus b square. So let's write here. This is equal to a power 4, we can write a square, its whole square, plus b power 4 we can write b square and its whole square we can do. This back side as it is, we have to write a square b square, we have to write as it is. And everybody you know, this and this is both are same thing here. This and this also same, because we know a square again whole to the power square again. That means 2 multiplied by 2, 4. Same becomes here. There is no difference. 2 multiplied to this also 4 becomes, no difference. So we can write in this way. Everybody, now this we have to consider as a, this we have to consider in the as a b here. A square plus b square formula we have to apply. Here a represents this a square and this b represents here b square. Okay, so this a represents here a square and a b represents b square. That means a square plus b square formula we are going to apply here. Then you know a square plus b square formula, that is we can write a plus b whole square. A is here a square plus b. B means here b square, that is a plus b written, its whole square. A plus b whole square minus 2ab. 2 from formula into ab. AB means here we write a is here a square and b represents here b square. Like that you know, a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab, where in place of a we are writing a square here, in place of this b we are writing b square, and here are 2 from formula and ab. A represents here a square, so in place of a writing a square, and b is equal to here writing b square. In this way we can do it. Then this last one term we have to put as it is. This a square b square we have to put as it is. Okay. This equal to, this we have to do a square plus b square, this whole square we keep same, And everybody you know these two are like terms here. We can add and we can subtract. There are 2a square b square. It is in minus sign, and a square b square it is in plus sign. Everybody you know plus and a minus we subtract it. So 2a square b square minus 1a square b square. We write here a square b square only, and this is 2 is greater, so we write here minus sign. Minus is greater than 2a square b square and a square b square. This is greater than this, so we have to write the sign of greater number here. So this is greater term is this, so we have to write minus here. That is okay. This is equal to a square plus b square whole square minus this a square b square. We can write ab whole square. Okay. So everybody, now you can see here that is this is we have to consider as a again. This we have to consider as a b. Everybody you know next formula, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. In this way we can do. So here we can consider this whole which is inside a bracket. This we have to consider a, and this all we have to consider b. That is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b according to the formula. So here this is equal to a plus b. We have to write first of all a plus b means here a is here a square plus b square. This is a plus b. B means here a b we write. Similarly a minus b. A minus b, a means here a square plus b square minus b. B represents here AB, so this we have to write. So every one of you, look at here, a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. So this is our required answer, and this can be, and this answer we can write by arranging it. So let's write by arranging it here. This a square same plus ab we have to write here in middle, and plus b square we have to write this back side, and similarly a square, this minus ab we can write in middle, and a plus b square we have to write that side. So in this way we can write by arranging it. So this is our required answer. From this single expression trinomial we are getting two factors here. One is a square plus ab plus b square. Next is a square minus ab plus b square. When we multiply these two factors, again we get this expression a power 4 a square b square plus b power 2. So in this way we can factorize it. I hope that everybody you became clear here. Okay. Now next question. I take next question, next example here. B number. One question I write myself here, that is x power 4 plus x square plus 1. This is one of the most important expressions that is usually asked in examination. X power 4 plus x square plus 1. We have to recognize the question. How we can solve it? We have to know it. X power 4. By looking the question directly, we can understand this can be solved by using these two formula, a square plus b square and a square minus b square. So here is x power 4 plus x square plus 1. This also can be done in the same way here. Okay. So look everybody here. The solution. This x power 4. We have to. This question is here x power 4 plus x square plus 1. First of all, we have to write the these two terms arranged together here. X power 4 plus 1 plus x square, like this first. A power 4 plus a square b square plus b power 4. Here we arrange this first term and last term. We arrange together. We keep here together. The middle term keeping back side. Then accordingly, first of all applying a square plus b square formula. Then after this we are getting simplified. Then we are getting this much. Then after here a square minus b square formula. Finally we have to apply the formula of a square minus b square. A square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. The same way we can solve this problem. So look at here. X power 4 plus 1 plus x square we have. Here first of all our work is to express these two terms in the form of a square plus b square. The x power 4 plus 1 we have. So this x power 4 can be written x square and its whole square. It is same thing here, 2 to the 4 itself. It is equal plus 1 we can write 1 square, you know everybody. 1 we can write 1 square plus this last one x square we have to keep same. every one of you, all of you, this a square plus, our main target is to apply here first of all a square plus b square formula, then after a square minus b square formula. So I am applying first of all a square plus b square formula. This is considering as a, which is kept inside a bracket, this x square we are considering a, and this one we have to consider b here. Now this becomes a square plus b square. A square plus b square is equal to, you know, a square plus b square is equal to, everybody you know, a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Yeah, a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So same thing we can write here. This a represents this x square, b represents here 1. So now we can write a plus b whole square. A represents here x square, so we write x square, a writing, plus b is here 1, so we write 1, a plus b written, a plus b whole square means we can write this here 2 minus 2 from formula 2ab. Now we are going to write 2ab, 2 from formula a is here x square, we write into x square dot b is here 1, so we can write 1 here, plus this x square as it is we have to write. Okay, this is equal to, this as it is we have to put here x square plus 1, this whole square, this we can multiply here, minus 2 1s are 2 we can do, 2 1s are 2, x square we put same as it is, plus this x square same here. This is equal to x square plus 1 whole square. These two are like terms, it is in minus here, this is in plus here, the plus minus we subtract it, so 2x square minus x square remains here, and 2 is greater than this x, 2x square is greater than this x square, so its sign is minus, so we have to write minus. Okay, now again we have to apply the formula of a square minus b square here. A square minus b square formula, you know, a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So here this we have to consider as a, this we have to consider as a b here, a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. There I have written formula. So accordingly we have to write here a plus b. A plus b means here x square plus 1. This is a plus b. B is here x, so we have to write that is a plus b written. Now a minus b, that is x square plus 1. This is a minus b. B is here x, so that x we have to write. Once plus x, once minus x. That means a plus b, a plus b, a minus b. So in this way we can do, then we can better to arrange this here, we can write by arranging it, x square plus x, so we have to write in middle, plus 1 is here same, and here is x square minus this x, so we have to write here, and plus 1. So this is our equation. So in this way we can factorize the auxiliary expression, which is in the form of a power 4 plus a square b square plus b power 4. So this is our equation. These are the two factors of this x power 4 plus x square plus 1. This is our answer. So in this way we can solve the such type of questions. Again, I take one more example here. Next example I take here. Next example here I do it, one question, C number, except 4a power 4, okay, 4a power 4, 4a power 4 minus 24a square b square plus 9b power 4 plus 9, that is b power 4. Next question, I'm going to do this question here. All of you do it here. Our question is 4a power 4 minus 24a square b square plus 9b power 4. Okay, so these two expressions we have to arrange. These two expressions, these two terms, first and last term, we have to arrange it together. First of all, our first work is that in your solution. Let's arrange this. This one question, let's write 4a power 4 minus 24 a square b square plus 9b power 4 This first and last term we have to write together first of all. Let's keep them together here. 4a power 4 plus this is 9b power 4. This middle term will be right back side 24 a square b square. Like same procedure we are following it here. This is first of all our work is to apply the formula of a square plus b square. Otherwise writing these first two terms in the form of a square plus b square. So let's write this 4a power 4 we can write 2a square whole square we can write here. Such that 2 square is 4, you know 2 square is 4, so that 4 can be written 2a power 4 we have, then here we have to keep 1 square inside, then 1 will be 1 square here outside, that is 2a square whole square. Such that result comes same, this 2 square is 4 and a square whole square is power 4. A is same, 2 multiplied by 2, 4 becomes. Plus similarly this also we can do 3 b square and whole square we can do 3 square is 9 b square power 4 becomes. When we multiply power to the power, this last term we have to put same 24 a square writing as it is. This is equal to, this is considering a, we have to consider this first term a, this we have to consider b, a square plus b square. Okay, a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. A square plus b square is equal to, everybody you know, a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. That is, this is a here, this is b. So let's write a plus b. A is here 2a square, this is a writing, plus b. B is here 3b square. A plus b, a square plus b square. According to the formula I am writing this. A is here 2a square plus b is here 3b square. A plus b whole square minus 2 from formula into a. A is here 2a square into b. B is equal to here 3b square. All these are written in multiply form. Dot I have written here. This minus 24a square b square we have to put as it is. After this we have to put as it is 2a square plus 3b square same. What is the we write? This we have to multiply it. Multiply it 2 to the 4. 4 to the 12 becomes minus 12 a square b square minus 24 a square b square we have to put as it is. This is equal to this is 2a square plus 3b square whole square. This both are like terms. So we can add them both. 12a square b square it is in minus sign. 24a square b square it is also in minus sign. So both are minus. Then we have to add them. 12 plus 24 how many becomes? Minus 46. Minus 12 minus 24 minus 46 and a square b square. Okay. This is equal to this 2a square plus 3b square, this as it is, no need to do anything here, minus 46a square b square. 46a square b square, 46 is a square number, square of 6, 6 square is 36, so we can write here 6ab whole square. Now this is gone in the form of a square minus b square formula. You know, this is considered a, this considered b, that is a square minus b square. The a square minus b square formula we have to apply here, that is a plus b multiplied by a minus b. This is already written here, a square minus b square equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So let's write a plus b right here, 2a square, this is a, first of all a right here, this is a written, plus b is equal to 6ab. A plus b written. Again similarly a minus b, that is a is here 2a square plus 3b square. This is a minus b is equal to here 6ab. This you have to write. Okay. Then after finally you know we can write this by arranging the terms here. So this 2a square plus this 6ab we have to write in middle, plus 3b square let's write back side. Similarly here also we can arrange 2a square minus 6ab we can write in middle and plus 3b square back side. Okay, so these are the required factors of this expression. 4a power 4 minus 24a square b square plus 3 power. I think you understood this very clearly. Okay, next question. Next question we would like to do here. example, question number D. A power 4 plus 4b power 4. A power 4 plus 4b power 4. This we have to factorize it. Our question is a power, this fourth question, a power 4 plus 4b power 4. This we have to factorize it. So everybody, this also same procedure. This question also we can solve by the same procedure here. The solution. Our question is a power 4 plus 4b power 4. Here, only two terms we have here. But no need to confuse. Look the question very properly. This is a power 4 plus 4b power 4. Only two terms are here. Okay. Here in previous questions we did the factorization of algebraic expression having three terms there. 1, 2, 3 terms it was here. But now here, two terms only we have. So this we have to do this question also in the same procedure. This by same procedure we can follow it here. So this, let's write a square plus b square. Let's do. That is a power 4. We can do a square whole square. Plus this also we can write 2b square whole square. We can write here. Okay. This a considered. This considered b. Then a square plus this same procedure we can follow. That is a square plus b square equal to, you know, a plus b whole square. A square is a plus b is here 2b square. A plus b whole square minus 2ab. 2 from formula into a is here a square. B represents here 2b square. Which we can write. This is equal to a square plus 2b square whole square minus 2 2s are 4. A square b square. This we have to write by multiplying it here. Again it goes in the form of a square minus b square. We can apply the formula of a square minus b square there. Then we can write here this is a square plus 2b square as it is we have to put minus 4a square. So we can write 2ab whole square we can write. Now all of you looking here, this a we have to suppose, this we have to suppose b. That is a square minus b square. The a square minus b square is equal to, you know, a plus b. That is a square plus 2b square. This is a plus b. B represents here 2ab. We have to write here like this. A plus b written. Similarly, a minus b. A square plus 2b square minus b is here 2ab. So this we can arrange it. Let's arrange a square plus 2ab. We have to write in middle. 2ab plus this 2b square. I will write a plus. Similarly here, a square minus 2ab. This, you know, already done here a square plus 2ab plus 2b square here, and a square minus 2ab plus 2b square. We can write by arranging it. Okay, next one. Next question here, I would like to do here. Question number E. A, B, C, D. This is E number. E number question is here a power 4 plus 1 plus 1 upon a power 4. Okay. This is also same type of question, but here it is given in fraction. Students, please do not confuse. A power 4 plus 1 by a power 4 is here. Here also we can apply the same procedure here. A square plus b square formula we can write. Similarly, a square minus b square formula we can write here. So let's do solution. A power 4 plus this we have to write together 1 by a power 4. We have to arrange it plus 1. This is equal to, this we have to write in the form of a square plus b square formula first of all. That is a power 4 can be written a square, its whole square we write here, plus this 1 by a power 4 we can write 1 by a square, its whole square we write here. This plus 1, last with this same as it is, we can put there. This is equal to, everybody know, this is a, we have to consider a, this we have to consider b. Okay. This we have to consider a, this we have to consider b. Now a square plus b square formula we have to apply. That is a square plus b square, you know, a plus b whole square minus 2 is already written here. Now I write here a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means a square plus b. B means here 1 by a square. A plus b whole square minus 2 from formula into ab. A is here, A square we write here, B represents here 1 by A square. 2AB plus this 1 we can put as it is. Everybody you know this A square we can cancel it. Now remaining is here A square plus 1 by A square, its whole square, minus these 2 ones are 2 remaining here, plus 1 is here. These two terms we can subtract. This is equal to A square plus 1 by A square, its whole square, and minus plus we can subtract this 2. 2 minus 1, 1 becomes minus is greater, so minus we can write here. This is equal to, everybody you know that it is in the form of A square minus B square now. This is A, this is B. This is 1, we can write 1 square. If there was 25, then we can write 5 square. So here 1 only we have, so we can write 1 square here. Now this is, we can suppose here A, this we can suppose B, then A square minus B square formula now we can apply. That is A square minus B square is equal to A plus B, A minus B. So let's write A plus B. A plus B means A square plus 1 by A square. This is A plus B. B is here 1. This is A plus B written. Again A minus B. A square plus 1 by A square. This is A minus B. This is 1 we write here. Now this is A plus B, A minus B. This is our requirement. So in this way we can solve this type of question. Next question. Again next question I would like to do here. That is x power 4 upon y power 4. This question is in fraction. The student maximum they confused here, so that I am going to do E number, F number now. There is x power 4 upon y power 4, x power 4 upon y power 4 plus 1 minus 7x square upon y square. All the students, you can see this question is given in fraction. X power 4 upon y power 4 plus 1 minus 7x square upon y square. So here, this is also we can solve by the same procedure. Okay. First of all, we apply the formula of A square plus B square. Then after A square minus B square. So all the students, first of all, we have to write these first two terms. This no need to arrange first and last, no need to arrange, because this we can write A square, but this 7 is not a square number, so this can't make this A B square, we can't make it here. So we can make this A square plus B square, this first two terms. So solution we write here. Here A square we write first of all. A square means x square upon y square. This is A. We consider this whole square, then this we suppose A square becomes x square whole square is power 4, y square whole square then 2 to the 4 is same thing. Plus this one we can write 1 square. So first of all we are writing in the form of A square plus B square. This last expression, this last term we have to write same as it is 7x square upon y square. No need to do anything, we have to keep same. Everybody, this we have to consider A, which is inside a bracket. This x square upon y square we have to consider A. This one we have to consider B. Then A square plus B square formula we have to apply now again. Okay, A square plus B square formula we have to apply again now. A square plus B square formula we have to apply now. That is A square plus B square, if you know A plus B whole square, that is x square upon y square. This is A plus B. B is here 1. A plus B whole square minus 2AB. 2 from formula into A. A is here x square upon y square into B. B is here 1. So we write here 1 minus this as it is. We can put 7x square upon y square into as it is here. Okay. After this, everybody you know, this is x square upon y square plus 1 minus its whole square is same. This multiply 2 and the 2 becomes 2x square upon y square we do here minus this is 7x square upon y square we put same. Just simplify, it is very simple. This we put same x square upon y square plus 1 x whole square. Everybody, these two terms, these are like terms here. 2x square upon y square, here is 7x square upon y square. These both are in minus, so we have to add this. 2x square minus 2 minus 7, this we write minus 9, then x square upon y square. Now finally we have to write in the form of A square minus B square. We have to express these two terms in the form of A square minus B square, such that A plus B multiplied by A minus B, we can apply formula. So let's write. This is first a square is already made here. Plus 1. This a square became. This a square became minus b square. B square is 9. We can add 3x upon y whole, so we can add. Okay. 3 square is 9. 9 is a square number, so we can add 3 x upon y. Then one bracket is square, we write such that 3 square is 9, x square is x square, y square is y square. Okay. After this, this is a considered. This consider b. A square minus b square. The a square minus b square formula is a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So let's write here a plus b. X square by y square. This is a plus b. B is here 3x upon y. A plus b written, a plus b. Similarly, a minus b, that is x square upon y square. This is a. This is a minus b. Minus b means minus 3x upon y. Okay. So this is our answer. Otherwise, you can write by arranging this and this. You can arrange this and this. You can arrange. Then you can write. Let's arrange it. Let's arrange. This is equal to. Okay. This is equal to. We can arrange this x square upon y square plus 3x upon y plus 1. This is first factor. Next factor is there x square upon y square minus 3x upon y plus 1. So these are the factors of this number here. Okay, we can do such type of question in this way. Okay, we can do such type of question in this way. Everybody, you can practice such type of many questions from your practice book, otherwise from your textbook. So I hope everybody you can get benefit from it. So for today we do only this much. Other more things we will discuss tomorrow in next class. Okay, thank you everybody.